The Focusound see-through glass directional speaker is a unique blend of innovative sound technology and modern decor. This sleek, transparent speaker utilizes advanced directional audio, allowing sound to travel in a focused beam towards the listener, creating an immersive experience without disturbing the surrounding area. Its invisible headphone effect makes it perfect for spaces where quiet listening is a priority, such as in offices, libraries, or personal spaces. Introducing the Titaner Titanium Folding Fan, a meticulously crafted tool that combines elegance and functionality in a sleek, compact design. This limited-release fan is expertly constructed from high-grade titanium, offering durability and lightweight convenience for a variety of uses. Whether for cooling during hot days, adding flair to performances, or even self-defense, this fan stands out in every regard. The folding fan's titanium frame ensures a robust structure that resists wear and tear, making it a reliable accessory for both everyday use and special occasions. Some workspaces look organized, others are organized. The Alai wireless charging desk mat falls firmly into the second category, an intentional blend of refined aesthetics and everyday function that clears clutter and powers your essentials. Designed with versatility in mind, this dual-sided desk mat features premium vegan leather on one side for a modern, wipe-clean surface and soft felt on the other for a warmer, tactile experience. Its standout feature is a detachable wireless charging panel that magnetically snaps to either side, left or right, charging both your smartphone at up to 15 watts and earbuds at 5 watts simultaneously. Compatible with MagSafe devices, the charger integrates seamlessly into your workflow. Introducing the Scottu M1, a groundbreaking cleaning device that elevates home hygiene to the next level. The M1 combines versatility with powerful technology designed to efficiently clean and sterilize your home in a single pass. With the ability to vacuum both wet and dry messes, this device tackles all types of surfaces effortlessly, from carpets to hard floors. Incorporating cutting-edge features, the Scottu M1 offers a handheld vacuum mode for precise cleaning in tight spaces. Futuristic function meets bold design in this powerhouse charging companion. The Alpha 65-watt USB-C fast charger delivers a striking presence on any desk or nightstand, doubling as an eye-catching tech collectible and an ultra-efficient charging device. Its clever transforming design allows it to sit when powering up your gear or stand tall like a miniature mech when idle, offering both versatility and visual appeal. More than just its looks, the Alpha 65 is built for serious performance. Introducing an innovative leap in tennis technology, the Acimate tennis robot brings a new level of realism to training. With 4K vision paired with bi-cameras, this cutting-edge system delivers precise, human-like ground strokes for an unmatched experience. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, its versatility shines with serve and rally modes that allow for tailored practice sessions designed to improve both technique and endurance. Savor every sip with full control at your fingertips. Multiflow introduces a smarter way to hydrate without worrying about burns or messy splashes. Thanks to its intuitive dimmer system, you can fine-tune the flow to match your perfect pace. Whether you crave a bold, hearty gulp or a careful, measured sip, the graduated flow adjustment gives you precision unlike anything before. Simply twist the dial to increase or decrease the flow to your liking. It's not just about comfort, it's about protecting your mouth from unexpected scalds and spills. Harnessing the elements for reliable power, the Shine 2.0 delivers a next-generation charging experience wherever the wind blows. Engineered around a 50-watt rated wind turbine generator, this compact system captures energy efficiently in diverse environments. Designed with a powerful 75-watt USB-C PD fast charging capability, it ensures your devices, including laptops and tablets, stay operational even miles away from traditional outlets. Weighing just 3 pounds, the Shine 2.0 balances portability with performance. Every detail of the Gamesir Supernova is engineered to push the boundaries of console-style control across any device. Designed for endurance, its ergonomic shell features textured, rubberized grips and ultra-quiet buttons, making marathon sessions more comfortable and less distracting. The magnetic smart charging dock with a built-in 1000 mAh battery ensures that when you're ready to play, your controller is too. No cords, no hassle. Precision, elegance, and immersion meet in the most personal way possible. The Breg Zone 1 earbuds are not just audio devices. They are wearable acoustic instruments tailored to your anatomy. Forget generic fits and compromised fidelity. These earbuds are engineered from the inside out, beginning with a high-resolution scan of your ears to create a perfectly contoured shell. Within this custom shell lies a finely tuned balanced armature driver, delivering studio-grade clarity directly into your ear canal. In fields where precision matters, whether inspecting jewelry, capturing insect anatomy, or framing petals mid-bloom, every detail counts. The Apexel zoom macro lens transforms your smartphone into a high-performance macro camera, bridging casual photography with professional-grade results. Featuring the industry's first zoomable macro lens, this tool allows seamless magnification from 10 to 20 times with a simple twist of the focus ring. Want the entire spider in frame? Use 10 times. Need the claw hairs in crisp focus? Zoom in to 20 times. It's more than choice, it's creative control. Precision meets portability in the Commarker B4 420-watt fiber laser engraver, a machine built for those who demand accuracy on every project. Designed for professionals working with jewelry, gold, silver, stainless steel, or coated metals, this 2-in-1 laser system seamlessly shifts between desktop and handheld modes. Whether you're customizing rings or branding tumblers, the B4 delivers consistent results without sacrificing speed or detail. Forget bulky towers and tangled cables. Miniroka condenses high-performance computing into a compact, sleek powerhouse with a built-in 7-inch touchscreen. Whether you're editing video, managing spreadsheets, or jumping into high-fidelity gaming, the AMD Ryzen 96900HX CPU and ultra-fast DDR5 RAM, available in 8, 16, or 32 GB configurations, deliver seamless multitasking and lightning-fast response. The HGN Metal Faucet. Glass Rinser is a practical and stylish addition to any kitchen sink. Made from high-quality stainless steel with a brushed nickel finish, it not only enhances the aesthetic of your kitchen but also adds functionality to your daily routine. This glass rinser is designed to thoroughly clean glasses and bottles with ease, providing a quick rinse after use. It features multiple jets strategically placed to cover the entire interior of glasses, ensuring efficient cleaning without effort. The Edge Pro stands as a pioneering solution, redefining the workspace for both remote professionals and home office users. Evolving from the original Edge modular work kit, this upgraded version amplifies productivity, making it ideal for anyone seeking a sleek, adaptable, and efficient environment. Included in the comprehensive full kit are the Edge Pro Core, a versatile detachable arm designed to securely hold tablets and smartphones, the Edge Pro Lite to ensure optimal lighting, and the Edge Pro wireless charger for convenient power-up. The Rankstone Rank Case elevates the experience of using your iPhone with its thoughtfully designed features. The 3.98-inch high-definition ink screen provides an expansive, clearer display, enhancing the overall visual experience. With a larger screen-to-body ratio, every image appears sharper, while the reduction of pattern noise ensures the display is finer and more refined, offering crisp text and images for optimal readability. The case is crafted with an elegant and sophisticated design, making it not only functional but also a statement piece. Command your workspace with a sleek solution that merges power, organization, and efficiency. The Yafo Prisma 3-in-1 isn't just another desktop gadget, it's a calculated upgrade for anyone who values clean lines and clear surfaces. At just 10.2 inches wide, this space-saving unit consolidates 3 functions into one streamlined system, eliminating tangled wires and desk clutter. At its core, the Prisma delivers wireless charging precision with support for multiple Qi-enabled devices: phones, earbuds, even smartwatches. The Toll Visual X stands as a remarkable advancement in virtual reality glasses, offering an ultra-lightweight design and cutting-edge features that redefine the immersive experience. Weighing just 190 grams, these glasses provide a comfortable, near-weightless fit, allowing users to enjoy extended VR sessions without discomfort. The 4.5K resolution coupled with 360-degree panoramic view ensures crystal-clear visuals. The Xiun Mus X100 is a compact powerhouse designed for serious creators. Weighing just 0.85 pounds and boasting a 100-watt maximum output, it provides unmatched versatility for a variety of tasks, from photography to video production. Despite its small size, the X100 delivers professional-grade lighting, ensuring vibrant and consistent results wherever you go. Equipped with a unique live mode, the X100 enables seamless lighting setups, making it perfect for solo operators or fast-paced environments. The Spacetop G1 redefines the concept of portable computing, blending augmented reality with practical functionality. Unlike traditional laptops, the Spacetop G1 uses a pair of AR glasses linked to a minimalist keyboard and trackpad. These glasses create a virtual 100-inch screen that floats in the real world, eliminating the need for a physical display. This innovation lets users work without the restrictions of cramped spaces, making it ideal for travelers or those constantly on the go. Compact enough to fit in your palm, this advanced handheld 3D scanner combines cutting-edge accuracy and color fidelity in one sleek unit. Built for creators, designers, and engineers, it captures detailed full-color 3D models with an impressive 0.05mm precision. With a real-time scanning speed of 18 frames per second, it ensures smooth, uninterrupted data collection even on complex surfaces or moving objects. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7 is an advanced gimbal stabilizer designed to enhance your smartphone videography experience. Featuring a robust 3-axis stabilization system, this gimbal ensures smooth, professional-grade footage even during movement. Whether capturing fast-paced action or cinematic panning shots, the Osmo Mobile 7 guarantees steady results with minimal effort. Its ultra-light ergonomic design offers a comfortable grip, making it ideal for extended shooting sessions without fatigue. Keep your plants healthy without the hassle. Smarty Plants uses advanced sensors to monitor every aspect of your plant's environment, providing real-time insights right on your device. Gone are the days of wondering why your plants aren't thriving. Smarty Plants makes plant care easy and effective. With its user-friendly app, you'll receive instant notifications if your plants need water, light, or any other adjustments. The sensors track temperature, humidity, soil moisture, and more. The Liber C1 is a cutting-edge smart guitar designed for musicians on the go. This innovative, foldable travel guitar integrates modern technology with an intuitive playing experience. Its stringless design eliminates traditional strings using a pressure-sensitive surface to detect touch and chord formations, making it ideal for travelers and those seeking a compact musical instrument. The Liber C1 connects seamlessly to a mobile app that offers interactive chord sheets and a comprehensive chord generator. The TPLink X1800 dual-band Wi-Fi 6 router offers an advanced internet experience, perfect for households and small offices. Leveraging Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax technology, it delivers faster speeds, greater network capacity, and minimizes congestion compared to older models. With next-gen speeds up to 1.8 gigabits per second, 1,200 megabits per second on the 5 gigahertz band, and 574 megabits per second on the 2.4 gigahertz band, streaming, gaming, and downloading are smooth and uninterrupted. Crafted with precision, the HoverPen 3.0 is a revolutionary writing instrument that blends luxury with modern functionality. Standing as a symbol of cutting-edge design, it combines the classic art of fountain pens with a futuristic, free-flowing experience. Perfectly balanced in midair by a powerful magnetic ring, this pen turns your desk into a gallery of modern art, where form meets function in an extraordinary way. Modular by design, the HoverPen offers a seamless experience with interchangeable fountain and rollerball nibs, making it adaptable for any writing preference. Suna is a sleek and efficient solar light designed to enhance your living space while harnessing the power of the sun. Its unique, curved design, crafted from durable brass aluminum, mimics the horizon, maximizing surface area for sun-power solar cells to absorb sunlight effectively. Measuring 31.5 inches in length, Suna is mounted securely in front of your window using 2 sturdy steel wires. The Galaxy XCover 7 Pro offers a robust balance of durability and performance, designed for users who demand a rugged device that can withstand tough environments. It features IP68 dust and water resistance, allowing it to withstand immersion in water up to 1.5 meters for 35 minutes. Additionally, it's drop-tested to survive falls from up to 1.5 meters, adhering to MIL STD 810H standards, though these don't guarantee survival in extreme conditions. The Macaka To Go stands as the ultimate solution for coffee enthusiasts seeking convenience and quality in the great outdoors. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply in need of a portable brewing solution, this stovetop espresso maker delivers hot or cold coffee on demand. Its compact and lightweight design ensures portability, fitting easily into any travel or camping bag. Constructed from durable materials, the Macaka To Go is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures, ensuring long-lasting use. Step into a new era of desktop design with the Machenike KT84 retro-style keyboard, built for those who demand performance and visual artistry. Featuring a fully customizable LED matrix, this keyboard lets you program dynamic lighting effects that make every keystroke a visual experience. The integrated TFT HD multimedia screen enhances functionality, offering real-time information like battery life, profiles, and animations in sharp, colorful detail. Introducing the future of connectivity, the SuperCable 2.0, engineered to exceed every expectation. Designed to deliver lightning-fast speeds of up to 120 gigabits per second and handle power demands of up to 240 watts, this cable is a true game changer. Whether you're powering multiple 8K displays or transferring massive amounts of data,